around the inside.
Can I get a video of this?
Alright, let me out. Let me out. I'm going out.
To what?
I'm going out.
Jamie.
Well, it's lightning.
Jamie. This is 684.
Okay. Well, I'll just let you know.
This is crazy. Only 27 seconds in, and this is priceless footage.
Look at the.
Yes, I know. Look at that rapid right there. So I told Donnie to be careful not to get too close in it because it's going.
I don't know if that van's gonna get through. That van.
Is it across the road?
There's no way. That's too high up.
Yeah, she thought about it.
Well, I'll let the sheriff's
Oh, is
department
that her driveway?
I'll let this.
This is going on YouTube.
Oh, man.
This is going on YouTube. Look at that.
There's a little creek right here.
Coming out of that drain hole right there. See that drain hole? See it rushing out?
There's the rapids way, way back there.
Even though you already know.
There's the rapids.
There's not raining.
This is ridiculous. Can't wait for people are out there. Hang on, I gotta get this view from right here. Excuse me.
You're saying don't get yourself in trouble just because your dad ain't right here.
I wasn't. I had to get a closer view of those rapids.
It's coming down some though because it was up higher on my tires.
Yeah. It's going down. It's finally stopped.
I said I needed to wash my car.
You see, everybody's out here. We're all fine. See? There's nothing to be to worry about.
Something pretty cool to look at for a little while. It's called a flash flood. That just means it comes real fast, but
It's
that
a
means
flash
it's gonna
flood.
go away real fast too.
It's a flash flood, guys. Look at this.
When the rain stops, the ground is just going to suck all that water away. You see it going down the creek? You see it going in the creek? The creek's going to take it away. See how the creek
Look at them over there.
this water, it just keeps going. You know where all of the springs is from there? All over there? Way past. You know, you go all
This
the
is
way
crazy,
to
guys.
the road, and there's a traffic light. If you turn and go down,
The drain pipe turned into a rapid.
this water just keeps going, and it goes in there and everything. It just keeps going.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then this water will just suck up in the dirt. After what don't go in the creek is what's in the yard will the yard will. See, it's already going down something. That's not as hot.
I gotta get a closer look. Oh, my minute, I'll get a closer look, okay?
Water's going into the goat walk.
Look at that. I'm up close. Listen to that. Look at those rapids, though. Dang. Now this is footage for YouTube. All right here, all of it was underwater for a sec. That was crazy. The Rose Arch is still there. Well, that'll water it for a couple of years. Look at that. Turn it over to the... Wow, this is crazy. There's a little island right here. Look at that. The tires. Look at the tires, guys. I'm not sure if there's any water on my camera, but it's all over the screen. Guys, this is crazy. Who wants to go swimming? No, I'm just joking.